How to log in to WebHost Manager. In order to log into WebHost Manager, you must first have your login details including 1. Login IP address, 2. Username, 3. Password. This tutorial assumes you already have this information and have navigated to the IP address login page shown here. Since your WHM is a secure environment that only you have access to, you now have to enter your username and password to gain access. Before you log into WHM, you can select your desired locale, language, as per your needs. To view more available languages, click the 3 dots icon. Enter your username and password, then click Login. That's it! You've successfully logged into WebHost Manager, WHM, and can now begin setting up new web hosting accounts, creating packages, and dozens of other tasks to help you manage your web hosting business. When you're finished with WHM, simply close your browser or click the Logout link. This is the end of the tutorial. Be sure to check out all other WHM tutorials to learn how to use the specific features in WHM.